Okay guys, welcome back to 2JZ Tuesday. My name is Michael Chung, and today I'm going to share with you guys one common problem experienced by 2JZ owners. Sometimes suddenly your 2JZ cannot start. Okay, you don't know why. Maybe you check your ignition coil, you pick it up, you put a spark plug in and ground it, and then it does not have any spark at all. Okay, so stay tuned. Today I'm going to share with you guys this problem I've experienced on 3 different cars in 3 different scenarios. Okay, coming up. So your engine cannot start. So there are few steps that we need to do in order to make sure all of them are working, in order to know what is the problem, what causes your engine cannot start. Okay, the engine very easy. It only need a few things. Okay, it needs air, it needs fuel, it needs spark. Then it will start. All right. So in this case, you have already checked. Okay, your air is okay, you don't have any leaking. That means you have done your compression test, no problem. Okay, see whether got any spark or not, any fuel or not. Have you forgotten to refuel? Okay, and then spark. Okay, if is there any spark? Very easy to check. Just take out an ignition coil, put a spark plug, and ground it into cylinder head anywhere. Ask your friend to start. If there is spark on your spark plug, that means your ignition system is good, the electricity, the positive to the ignition coil is good, the ground is good, and then the crank sensor, cam sensor all sync up together on your ECU. Okay, so if you guys like this kind of content, please do subscribe and share with your friends if you think this one will help your friends too. Alright. Okay, so the first scenario is, it happened when I was in KL Elite Speedway. So what happened was there was one bolt or something. I believe it was the fan belt tensioner. Got 3 bolts, right? One of the bolt fell in, and then I think it started for a while and it suddenly cannot start already. So I was very worried, because I worried that the bolt has made the timing belt broken, and then the valves has hit each other. But luckily it wasn't that case. However, cannot start already. We cannot figure it out. We try to find what is happening. We don't understand at all. But in the end, there's a very good friend of mine, Fazrin, Along. Normally we call him Along. So Along came over here and then he said, let me see your timing gear. You go and check it out, your timing gear. There's something wrong with your timing gear. And then he left. And then we go and find out, hey, actually the timing gear and the 12 pin behind, they are separate. They have separated. Okay, so that one we were quite lucky also. We borrowed some tools here and there, and we are able to pull out the timing gear, and we change and we spot and well already, and we are able to continue the race. Okay, so case number 2 is, this one is a 2JZ from a Ford Ranger. So this one is from my friend. He has this 2JZ, just want me to refresh it, do a general overhaul of it. So when I open it, then how come the rear timing plate is detached? So if this one can just reinstall back, it cannot start the car again, so we need to redo again. Okay, so to open this 1J or 2JZ timing gear, so you need to use these special tools. Use size 10, which is a M5 bolts, long enough for you to put inside this hole, and then you use some kind of puller to like this open. You can see it is slowly coming out. So that means It's all good to work. Yep, all good. Something weird. You see, when I try to open this one still remains, huh? Alright, so the third case is the engine, another engine from KL also. So this one sent back, so I've already checked. So I didn't pay the electricity bill, is it? The electricity is not stable. So this timing gear sent back, not the timing gear, the whole engine sent back. So I remove everything, and then when I take out, it detached again. What is going on with these three engines? And then there are three separate cases too. I don't understand. Okay, so I'm going to share with you guys on how to repair it. Okay, it's very simple. Just open it. Okay, from behind you can see there's one key here. Just match the key and spot welding. After that, then just grind as flat as you can, so that it can it will not hit anything when it is pressed in. Okay, so that's all. It's very simple, but I've seen in the forums there is somebody also experienced the same thing, and very easy to notice because over here, can you guys see or not? The timing gear. You can see this one is the gear. This one is the timing marks. So after a very long while, maybe 100k miles or 100,000 kilometers or 200,000 kilometers, there is dirt accumulated, right? So when this one is spin, so the dirt doesn't match with the gear grooves. Okay, so this is a very surefire way to know that this one has came off again, and then you just need to do this simple but effective way. Alright, so be careful, because this one, you know, the lock pin for the crankshaft, it is opposite. Okay, it is opposite, so you have to be careful. Okay, it is not exactly the top. Okay, and then there are two ways, if you guys know. The 2JZ GE is using the 36-2, and then the GTE, or we can call it this one, the 1JZ, also using the same. So this one is a simple one. This one is the 12 marking with all the same marking. So there is no missing tooth. Okay, there's no missing tooth. You can see there's no missing tooth, and all depends on your cam sensor. Okay, your cam, the intake cam. Okay, so the intake cam will tell you that it is on the top dead center. This one cannot tell you it is at the top dead center, because all of them, the marking are the same, unless you are using the 36-2. Then -2 is the place where at the top here is flat. So when it is flat, it is at the top dead center. Alright, so this is the timing gear. Okay, in this video, I also share with you guys some more extra tips regarding this timing gear. So I got this special tools. Well, it is not anything fancy, but it's like a puller. Okay, can you guys see? It's just a puller with a long M5 1.0 bolt in order to put in here. Okay, with the timing bolt here, then you just press in here, then you can just pull this one out. Okay, so why I got so many spacer is because when I need to pull out, when this one is still very deep, so all the spacer I need to take out. Okay, so after I pull out a little bit more, then it becomes shorter and shorter already, not enough space. Then I need more spacer in order for the bolt to continue to pull it out, because the crankshaft snout, the nose, okay, is still quite a bit of distance. Alright, okay, so this one is the special tools. Okay, and then I want to share with you guys one more thing, which is this one. This one is the 2JZ NA 2JZ GE timing gear. This one is the 2JZ GTE, or you can say that the 1JZ GE GTE, all the same. Okay, they are using the 12 teeth, okay, on the crankshaft. This one is the a lot of teeth, 36 minus 2. Okay, so the minus 2 is not at the top side also, it's at the angle. I believe it's about 66 angle, 66 degrees. Okay, and then also one more thing I like to do is, after I take out the timing gear, over here I use very fine sandpaper, like 1000 grit. I just, you know, lightly sand this area so that it is just to remove the rust, make it a little bit smoother to go in and come out for the future sake, because if not it is very difficult to come out. And especially some new beginner mechanics, they try to pry this open, pry, break again. Or even worse, this one bent already, the cam sensor cannot read, cannot able to find this problem. And last is, you need to, after install your timing belt, okay, after install your timing belt or your timing gear, remember to use this guard, okay, to cover the timing belt. Okay, cover like this, cover like this. Okay, there you go. This is one of the many possibilities of why your 2JZ cannot start. Okay, so hope you guys learned something from this video and learn more about the timing gear of the 2JZ, and maybe it will apply to your other engines too. Alright, so if you guys like this kind of video, don't forget to like and comment below if you got any problems regarding 2JZ, GE or GTE. Okay, and I will try my best to answer you guys. Right, see you in the next video.